And these are some logs that came out of the river. We got them from a barge in Portland, but we're told they came out of Seattle. So they brought them down from Seattle to Portland, and that's where we picked them up. Looks like there's some old growth trees. You can see the ring count on the outside is very tight. You're getting 20 plus rings an inch. The interesting thing is they stay pretty good in the water for the most part. You can see some deterioration out here, although a lot of times you can see it's kind of black. So it's probably in part from the metal going in there and that mineral going through the wood, making it decay. You can see it's kind of black right there, kind of going through, and it's kind of breaking down the wood. But you can see the whole rest of the log is completely fine. It's got dark stain in it, but it's solid. And same with this. And these are very old logs. We sliced a couple up here. So we did mostly slabs out of these. They're fairly wide, so they'll make some nice desks or tables and things like that. Maybe book match a couple dining tables for these medium-sized ones. And they have that distinctive gray and then the black from the metal there. And you've got kind of this just worn look on the outside. You can see where these were, it looks like hand hewn out right here, and there's these big still things in them. You can see all the way down there. That one has a bunch. They're all bent over. We'll go over to the other side. Get back in here a little ways. This was cut a while ago, so it's got a little bit of rut there. Looks like some bug trail, so that's probably original to the log there, unless there was something in the water, which there certainly could be. And you can see that metal sticking out right there. Then you have these spikes and that worn look on the outside. So this is one of the other river barge logs. It got cut off here. You can see just the way it's kind of shaped over time. And again, how tight that ring count is, if you can see that. This one's been sitting a while, so it has a little bit of green moss starting to grow on the outside. If you look over here, you can see why they probably cut this one off. Got a lot of metal sticking in this one here. And some of these come out pretty easy, and some of them not so much. And sometimes they're broken off. You can see deep down in there. So this one, it looks like they just cut off the end of it. And it looks like, again, it has some bug trail on the outside. So it's been sitting a little while. It's pretty dark. One of the interesting things is the sap will still come out, so it's been sitting in there in the water over time. And when it gets cut, even though these are probably been in the water 50 plus years, and these are probably at least a couple 100-year-old trees from the looks of it, probably more than that. And they still just got the sap sitting right there. Pretty nice trees and logs. Here you can see the other side of the barge log pile. Looks a little rougher on these two logs. You can see where it broke off there. You can see that metal laid over a little more. You've got, looks like this came out of there, so broke off probably some metal in there. Looks like maybe from right there. And those ones are all laid over. Some really nice, probably considered old growth if you look at this ring count here and just the amount of time they've been in the water. They were cut a long time ago. And these are pretty large. A lot of them are about 20 to 30 inch, but there's some definitely bigger than that. These are probably around 30 there. That one's definitely over 30, but you got some rot on the outside. Those two are also pretty big. Might be hard to tell. And then this is kind of the natural kind of end. You can see what the water did to it. And then the side of it here, it's just kind of smoothed out the wood. And again, a lot of metal in some of these. Some will just cut off the ends if we can't pull it out. Some come right out easy, but